YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today I'm at YG Gym in Tooting, South London. So it's another South London job. Behind me you can see some graffiti art. That was done by some of the Paint Freaks team, so JK's and Jebba. So yeah, you can see there's some nice artwork here behind me already. And today I'm going to just be doing some font, some graffiti font. So today I'm going to be writing "Experience the difference" along this top panel here in a graffiti font, and then possibly I may add the YG logo and do it the YG way over here. So this area is going to be my canvas today. Hi YouTube, so we reached the end of the video. If you're wondering why the font behind me has changed, it's because the owner suggested that we went with a different font because it's more fitting to the gym. So we've gone for a strongman font and it suits the gym a lot better now.
So much.
This is sick. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.